Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are in the world, I hope that you are having a good day. So I'm making a smoothie real quick. It's a little bit different. I have apple juice, peaches. I've been ODing on some peaches lately. And here's some fresh banana that I'm throwing in. Sometimes I freeze them and sometimes I don't. This is kind of like a Arden's garden dupe. I don't remember which one. But this reminds me of a smoothie that I would get at Arden's Garden. Oh, these things have seeds in them. Hold on. Let me take the other seed out. So these are dates. So I'm putting in 2 dates. And their nuts are sweet. But I'm just going to put in some mixed nuts. Okay. And add some agave. To sweeten up the nuts a little bit more. I think the nuts may even be with salt, but these already have sea salt. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. I might need a little bit more liquid. I'm looking at it. Might. Let's see. Like I said, it's not the exact recipe, but it's something similar. I can't remember the name of it because I haven't gotten one of them from there in a while. But it's one of the ones in the book. I don't think it's on the menu board. I think it's one of the ones in the book. And yes, I came pretty close. All right now. Ow, ow. If you decide to make this smoothie, I hope you enjoy. Love y'all. Later.